Hi, I'm Donna and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make zucchini pancakes. I haven't done it for a long time. I hope it's gonna work well. Well, it's pretty basic. Grated zucchini, little egg, baking powder, a little bit of flour, and pretty much it's done. So I just got those nice zucchinis at Trader Joe's. I usually make those in summer when zucchini and green zucchini and yellow squash are in season. But hey, we live in a country where everything is in season here, so you can find anything you want whenever you want. So I'm just going to grate that. It's a great appetizer or snack. You can actually freeze them and give it to your kids or have it for lunch with maybe a little sour cream. Actually, I'm going to add a little sour cream in the batter. So we'll see how it turns out. I don't think I ever added it, but I think it will work well because it will make it nice and soft. Oh, it's a hard work. The hardest thing pretty much to do in this pancake. But I think I'll be done in 1, 2, 3. All right, good. Wow, that's good. Let's see how many pancakes we make because I have no idea. I never measure that. All right, I'm just gonna use one, and zucchini has a lot of moisture, and I'm going to add a little salt to help the moisture come out more, and we're going to squeeze that and got all the liquid. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of water. Because instead of this, we don't really need that moisture. We just need zucchini, grated zucchini for texture and for flavor. It's not gonna be a lot. Look at that. Okay, just 2 handfuls. That, and you can add little pepper, little seasonings if you want. I will add just a little basil just because I have it at home, and I think that it will give nice flavor because zucchini has no taste, and I like to add additional flavor, so you can add some spices like dried herbs. That will be good. Where's my bowl? Oh, here. Okay, let's add that zucchini, and I'm going to add crack 1 egg. There we go. I already salted that, so I'm not going to add any more salt. Just a little freshly cracked black pepper. I always said like grated or whatever. It's freshly cracked, right? It's freshly cracked. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons sour cream. And 1 teaspoon baking powder. Ooh. And how can we mix that? See how easy it is to have a small kitchen? So you just, open things and everything is right there. Maybe add a little paprika. Oh, you know what I can add? I just got this. Everything but bagel seasonings from Trader Joe's. Maybe I just add a little bit of that. Hopefully it's gonna taste good. And the basil. That basil looks pretty good. I'm surprised. I never buy fresh herbs at Trader Joe's, but that looks pretty nice. All right. So you know how to cut the basil, right? Like do a little chiffonade, they call. I'm gonna show it to you. So just a, little. Actually, we can chop fine because it will go in the pancakes. Okay. And mix it. And add flour. How much flour? I have no idea. 1/3 of a cup. I think we'll need more. Okay. 2/3 of a cup. And let's see. And I'm going to start heating my skillet. And I'm going to use avocado oil. for my pan. Let's see the consistency. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to, it's not hot enough, but it's okay. And make it flat to make sure that it cooks through the pancakes. And we don't want to overload and scoop them too close to each other. I think 3 will be fine here. It's always good to use another spoon to help put it on the pan. All right, that looks good. And the temperature is very important. Let's do it medium-low so that it gets evenly cooked. And I kind of like to make sure that it gets cooked through. I like to put the lid on and wait for maybe like 30 seconds, a minute. So just stay there on next to that and just watch it and see like how it changes. Like you can just look at that, how it changes the color, and when it changes the color, then it's ready to flip. Seem ready. Nice golden brown. Oh, look at that. And just gently flip them, and you can tell that they are cooked here too. They change the color. It doesn't look like raw from the edges, just the surface is raw, so that's why we can flip it over up and cook from the other side for another minute. So that's why you have to always be here, and you cannot just leave unattended, and always like check the temperature. Like if you see that it's getting burned, you can always turn the heat down, or if you think that it's not getting cooked fast enough, then you just turn the heat up. Another minute or 2, and I have a plate here ready with a paper towel so that we can drain extra oil from the pancakes. That's good. All right, they're ready. So gently move. And with this side, because it's kind of soaked in oil, you can just put it on the paper towel and do the same thing with another batch. We just made our zucchini pancakes. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.